Alright, I've been wanting to make a tutorial on this for a while. I don't have much experience in this. It's something I've wanted to do, but I wanted to share with others as well. This is for Peer Guardian. Peer Guardian is basically an application that blocks blacklisted IPs, not necessarily blacklisted, but IP addresses that have been found to be associated with government agencies, basically companies that track file sharers and so forth. So by using Peer Guardian, the idea is that you will lessen your chances of being caught, and it works significantly well. I already have it installed on my computer. This is Peer Guardian 2 actually, and I was actually pretty shocked as well of how easy it was to install and how well it works as well. These are basically all the IPs that have been blocked so far, and as you can see, I'm blocking over that's quite a few IPs, and I purchased some VIP block lists as well. Let me show you the IPs I'm using. I'm using the default ones. These two come with the Peer Guardian as soon as you download it. I also got these three, which are VIP ones, I believe, except this one. I'm not sure if this is VIP. But I'm going to basically go over how to install a program. It's really straightforward. I'm also going to go over a little of the features of the program and show you how to add IPs and shit. Basically go over all the functionality. So let me go ahead and first show how you would go about downloading and installing it. First you go to your browser, and I'll post a link to this download page. But Peer Guardian is made by Phoenix Labs, so let me just find it here. Phoenix Labs, the website will be phoenixlabs.org, and from there you can find Peer Guardian 2. Most people, if you're using XP, you want to download this one. They also have one down here, but this is one I got. I just click on here and download it. And once your download is complete, it should be right there. Just run the install. I already have it installed, so I can't really run through it, but let me just show you how to do the install. There's the wiki page for it, and you'll come to the welcome screen. It says welcome to Peer Guardian Setup Wizard. Sit next, and you'll say I accept. Default install directory is fine, so forth. The main concern is when you get past all this down to here. This is the main area of concern. I actually had to reinstall it because of this. I didn't know how to do the whole list importing at that time. The main one you want is the P2P. That's the primary list you'll want. Everything else is pretty much up to you. What I recommend from what I've been reading about it would be the spyware and government one. Everything else should be you really don't need checked. So just P2P, spyware, and government should be the main ones. Ads perhaps if you'd like. And then this I've set mine to I think every other day, or perhaps I set it every week, because I do manual updates whenever I use it. And you can just leave those two checked, hit next, and that's it. Actually, it was really simple to do. So once you have that installed, you'll basically open up your application. Let me open it from scratch. So you'll find your Peer Guardian icon in desktop, you double click on and open it up. Let's give it a second start. It should go all the way to your task tray down here. You'll see the little Peer Guardian icon. Just double click on it, bring it up. Okay, and this is the Peer Guardian interface, Peer Guardian 2 rather. Main things you want to look for or keep an eye on are List Manager and check for updates. List Manager are all the lists that are already, with the Peer Guardian. It comes with some lists that are, I believe they get the data from blocklist.com, and this is where I got my VIP list. So you'll see them in here, and it'll show whether it's a block or allow. The allow types are basically a list of IPs that are okay. For this one, for instance, these are IPs for like Demonoid and so forth, trackers and stuff like that. These are blocked IPs. So basically, you'll have your list in here, and they already should be set up for you. Only thing you need to do once you first get it would be for check for updates. You just press that button, and it'll start running updates. I already ran my updates, so I don't have to worry about that though. And it'll automatically grab any updated IP addresses that they've added to the database. So with that said, let me go into getting some third-party IP lists. So where are we going? This is the site I went to, IP block list. I'll also put a link in the description for this. This you can get some free lists. All you just do is click lists, and you'll see quite a few free ones. They also have, these are the ones I got, P2P allow. This is for contributors only, so I just sign in here, I can download it. And basically these are allow lists for bit clients, torrent trackers, and so forth. Another good one would be the anti-infringement one, which is a more in-depth IPs of anti-infringement organizations. So you don't have to worry about that. So say you download this. All you really need, or you don't really download, you'll just copy the update URL, and this will be listed for the free ones as well, like say level 1 P2P. Just copy that URL. And you go to Peer Guardian, you go to List Manager, and you open up your List Manager, and you'll hit Add. Once you add, you want to just name it. See, this is level 1 P2P, so I'll just type in like level 1 or something. Maybe add P2P. And then you add URL, and all you do is just paste it in there and hit OK. Type would be blocked because these IPs you don't want going across to your network. So you'll hit block, hit OK, and that's it actually. Once you do that, it should populate in here, and you can actually check for an update at that time, and it'll update from that list automatically. So it's pretty straightforward. It's extremely easy. Peer Guardian 2, I recommend it for anyone. I haven't started downloading yet. Right now I'm looking into downloading via proxy. I'm just concerned about the whole download speed issue that it's going to occur there, as well as buying optimized proxy servers or renting them. So Peer Guardian 2, straightforward, easy to run. Just quick thing though is you probably won't have it start up automatically, so every time before you even open your BitTorrent client or eTorrent, whatever you use, make sure this is started, and you should see IPs that are blocked as you're downloading as well, just for safety. So that's Peer Guardian 2 for y'all.
Mushroom Headbangers, subscriber, well, die.